Today in our 2011 Chevrolet Malibu, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System. This is going to consist of part numbers RRRVA126B-2. These are the Vortex Aero Crossbars, 49 inches long in black. These also come in silver as part number RRRVA126S-2. We also have RRRLKVA. These are the 2500 series legs for the Vortex Aero Crossbars. And part number DK183, and this is the custom fit kit for this particular vehicle, and this is how it clamps to your car. We have the front one already installed. It has a nice aerodynamic shape to the bars, which is going to cut down wind noise and drag while you're driving. And combined with the rear crossbar, it's actually going to have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds, although double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure it can withstand that weight on the roof. Let's go ahead and show you how the rear one goes on. We already have it partially assembled on our table here, and it's very easy to put together. You'll take your 2500 series leg, and you'll see it has this bracket on the bottom here, and that's going to fit into the T-slot at the end of our bar, like so. Next, we'll take a measuring strip and measure out from this point to our leg. Now, normally you would have a strip that you would cut and put into place so it holds its place from that point forward. However, for today's demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and measure it out. Let's go ahead and get everything set up. All right, that looks good. Then we'll take the included tightening tool and snug that leg down to the bar. All right, while we're here, we'll go ahead and put our end cap back on and take the included tool to just lock that into place so it can't be removed. Then we'll take our rubber pad for the bottom of our leg, making sure that the arrow is facing out. And these are numbered and specific, so double check your instructions to make sure you're putting the right one on the right leg. And then finally, we'll go ahead and install our clamp. Flip this around so it's easier for you to see. We'll take the screw out all the way. And then we'll take our clamp and just kind of put it into place and just get the bolt started so it holds the clamp in. All right, with that done, now we can open up our two rear doors and put our bars into place. Now we'll just loosely set them on for now. This is by no means the final place that they're going to be put at. Being careful not to damage the roof. All right, now that we have these set on, we'll grab our measuring tape and we'll actually figure out our crossbar spread, and that's going to be from center of the rear bar to center of the front bar. You want to double check with your instructions to make sure you're putting them at the right spacing. And once we got these generally where we want them, then we can start tightening them down. And we'll snug them up first. And then we'll tighten them down completely. Again, using that same tightening tool. Now, I would like to point out that this is curved right now. Once these are tightened down all the way, this will straighten out as you're tightening. So you know that you're not over-tightening or under-tightening. I'll repeat this for the other side. And once we just have these loosely tightened up, we're going to go back and forth on each side and tighten them down evenly, giving about 5 or 6 turns each side. Now, some things you can actually put on these roof racks, there's a wide variety of things. Bike racks, ski and snowboard carriers, kayak carriers, cargo baskets, and enclosed cargo boxes. But I do want to emphasize, you always want to double check your weight ratings to make sure you're not going over on your roof or your crossbars. All right, with everything tightened down, our final step is to put on our covers. And these are lockable, so your roof rack will actually be permanently, well, not permanently, but secure on your roof once you install it. And there you have it for the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System on our 2011 Chevrolet Malibu.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.